Have you ever come up with a trade idea or seen someone else's results and wondered, does this strategy and parameters really work? Can it work? One way to give us more data and a clue to whether the strategy could work in the future is to backtest it. When I first started to trade, I had no idea how to backtest. I have no programming experience, and when I tried to write a script in C Sharp for NinjaTrader, I spent countless days working on it only to get frustrated and end up with no back tests that actually worked. Now we have AI. Thank you, AI. You've made my life much easier. Let me show you how to use Google Gemini and TradingView to backtest any strategy. So this is Google Gemini. As you can see here, I have already written a script using Google Gemini to help me backtest. So the first thing you want to do is describe your strategy. What exactly are you looking for? What does the signal candle look like? What are you measuring? What is your stop loss? What is your take profit? And then that will get you started. And then what you'll do is you'll go back and forth with Google, Gemini, or whatever AI program you are using. So once you start to describe what you are looking for, and then the script will come back, and then you'll put it into TradingView, and either it looks great or most likely it's not exactly what you were thinking or picturing. So then you'll go back to the AI and you will describe what you would like to add or subtract, change completely, and then you go back and forth this way. You want to make sure you actually check the trades themselves to make sure it did execute with the type of idea that you were looking for. One common mistake I have experienced is not setting a maximum number of trades for that strategy. Because it is a computer, it's not a person, it doesn't logically know that you shouldn't take every single time it crosses a certain level, for example. Perhaps your strategy, you want it to break the 5 minute ORB one time and that's it. If you don't specify to only take that trade one time per day, the AI will give you 1,000,005 trades that day. So make sure you do that. Another common mistake too is not putting in the quantity of the number of contracts to trade. Instead, sometimes the script will come back and it will tell TradingView to do it based on percentage of equity. Every single time that's happened to me, the script won't run and your strategy won't even give you a P&L chart. So make sure it says quantity. Last tip, if you get error messages where the script just won't even work at all in TradingView, TradingView will give you a picture of an error code. And what I have done that works amazing is you simply screenshot that error code and then you bring it back into the AI and you upload the picture into the AI conversation. And AI has become so smart that it can read that image and it will come back and give you a new script fixing it. You go back and forth until you finally get the script that you really want and that works correctly. And now you have a back test that works and you can test any idea that you have every day, every night to your heart's content. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit like and subscribe if you found value in this. And also make sure you use my code Terri at My Fund of Futures, Tradeify, Lucid to get the best discounts for all of your prop firm needs. Thanks, guys. I'll see you soon.